This is question number 3 from exercise 7.1 for class 9 students who follow mathematics book of NCERT. Here you see, read the question very nicely. Question is given, AD and BC are two equal perpendiculars on AB. AB is what? AB is a line. So that CD bisect AB. Sometimes diagram may be given in the examination. Sometimes diagram is not given. You have to draw the diagram yourself. Here you can draw. AB is what? AB is a line segment. AB. Here you see, this is AB. AB. I start answer from here. AB. So what are the perpendiculars on AD and BC are two equal perpendicular. AD means what? This is AD. This is D. So AD perpendicular to AB, and also BC is perpendicular. BC is perpendicular on, or you may write here. I have written like that. I think in the book figure is given in a different way. Here figure is given in the book. Here A, here B, same thing. This is BC, as it is told, BC is perpendicular to AB, and here AD is perpendicular to AB. You may write like this. And these two perpendicular are what? These two perpendicular are equal. Means this perpendicular and these perpendiculars are equal. In the examination, suppose you are writing B here, A here, and B here, C here, there will be no difference. Now what you have to prove? AC, CD bisect AB means what? This is equal to this you have to prove. Means OB is equal to OA you can prove, then only you can take CD bisect what we can take AB. Little bit it should be lengthy, and you take the help of a scale. You see, without a scale it may be not so perfect. So you understood what it is written? Once again I am narrating nicely. You listen to me. AB is a line segment, and BC and DA are perpendiculars on AB, and these two are equal perpendicular. Here it is written equal perpendicular. Then what you have to do? You have to show that CD bisect AB. You may write in the short given. What are the things given? From the question itself you are getting. BC perpendicular to AB. BC perpendicular to AB. Okay. And you know, if perpendicular, that means what? This angle will be 90 degrees. DA or AD perpendicular to BC. AB. So you understood, BC and AD both are perpendicular to AB. One more thing is given. BC is equal to AD. It is given BC equal perpendicular. Means what? This perpendicular and this perpendicular are equal. BC is equal to AD. It is also given. Now to do what? To prove. What is to prove? BC or CD bisects AB. Okay. It is to prove. Bisect means what? This is equal to this you have to prove. Now I start to get proof. My dear students, you compare these two triangles. What are these two triangles? Here you see, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? in lines and angle you might have been taught vertically opposite angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this angle. This is equal to this. Why? 90 degree. So two angles you got equal. Now what happened? BC is equal to AD. That means angle side, you know that angle side. You remember what are the things required to be congruency of the two triangles? You have been taught side, angle, side. You have been taught angle, side, angle. And one more thing I am telling you. Instead of this, you may write AS also. And after that, side also. If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the another triangle, then also the two triangles are congruent. These are the things you have to remember. And one more is there. Right angle, hypotenuse and side. In two right angle triangle will be equal. Hypotenuse will be equal. And remaining one side of one will be equal to one side of the another. Then also the two triangles are equal. You don't go up to here. You remember by A also the two triangles are congruent. So I am starting here. In triangle OBC and triangle OAD. You consider one by one. This angle is equal to this angle. What would be the name of this angle? BOC. Angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. This angle is called what? BOC. This angle is called what? AOD. Angle AOD. Why it is so? Vertically opposite angle. In lines and angle I have taught you. Now you take this angle. The name of this angle in short you can write angle B, and here in short you can write angle A is equal to 90 degree. Why they are equal? Because they are 90 degree. Why they are 90 degree? That also you can mention. BC perpendicular to, since BC perpendicular to AB and AD perpendicular to AB. I think you understood. Now one more thing. BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. Why it is so? Given. Therefore, what happens? Do you understand? These two triangles are congruent. Triangle OBC congruent to triangle OAD. OBC congruent to triangle OAD. By what postulate? By angle side. Angle side. When these two triangles are congruent, after that what you can write? You can write therefore. Here there is no space, so I am coming here. You follow me. After that, after this step, I am writing here. You are not supposed to write in the examination like that, because you will get a space below or in the next page. But here some space is there, so I write here remaining portion. When the two triangles are equal, therefore what? OB is equal to OA. Why it is so? CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. So OB is equal to OA you are getting. That means what? Therefore when these are equal, that means CD bisect AB. Hence proved. My dear students, I think you will not get any trouble when you are going to solve it. You must see the video once, twice, like that, till you are going to understand. If you are getting difficulty, you may contact on my telephone. Also, I request you to subscribe my channel. It will be for you. Whenever I will upload some videos, you will get the information quickly. Thank you.